Hey everybody, thank you for following me on TRENDSI Trades here. I've been getting a lot of questions about doing a technical analysis on the SPY or the S&P 500 and where we could potentially be heading in the coming days and weeks. So let's just take a look at this together. I'm currently on the 4-hour time frame if you guys want to follow along with me. A couple metrics that I'm looking at and a couple indicators is one, our linear regression channel. We are in a bullish movement. After the past 300 candles, you can tell that when we've hit down into this bottom deviation level on our regression trend, this has acted as a strong level of support where we've seen a nice push higher multiple times. Now we are testing this same area here. So I do want to, and I'm kind of a little bit in a biased opinion that we could see a push higher on the SPY. Now the other indicator that I'm looking at is our bottom dashboard here. When you're down into this green buying zone or accumulation stage in the market, this is another area where previously and historically in the past, which you can tell right here, when we've got down into this area, this was not a bad spot to be adding to a position to be going long. Again, if we look a little bit more historically to left right here, down to the green buying zone, this did end up seeing a nice push to the upside. Now, I do like how we have this green candle here right next to this red one in a bullish pattern. Now, the red candle here hasn't actually closed out below this, so it's actually holding nice support around this 411 area. So the thing that I want to keep an eye on is for this to actually potentially push a bit higher and test the previous level of resistance. Now, where's the previous level of resistance? We can take a look right here, and the strongest level is approximately, if you were to split these two in half, around, let's say, 418. So that's the first level that we've got to get across. What I want you guys to take a look out and watch for is this white line, which is money movement. We need this to continue in an upper direction. We then also want our middle band to switch over to green. So when this is red, this means bearish market momentum. That means the price of the stock or whatever you're looking at is going to be decreasing. Now, when this turns to green, you can tell if we go directly straight up, the price is increasing. So right now we are still in red, but we are making a higher low on our money momentum. So when this does shift over, that's going to be basically my confirmation of say, all right, we should be looking for a push higher. Let's break through this level right here of previous resistance and let's see if we can test a new top here around this 430 area. That is not out of the picture at all. Now, if we don't hold this level of support here around 412, you just have to keep an eye out for the next level of support, which is down here about 405.50. Let me know what your guys' individual strategy and game plan is for this SPY. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care.